Hello everyone, welcome to Dun Investments. This video is an analysis video for tomorrow, that is 16th Feb Wednesday, and we'll see how Nifty, Bank Nifty, and few stocks might perform. Today we saw Nifty making a low of 16,840 as mentioned in the previous video, and a high of 17,375. So you can assume the volatility on Nifty index is of more than 500 points on intraday basis, and Bank Nifty made 2000 points move. Yesterday it was 1000 points plus down in red, and today it is more than 1100 points up in green. So the volatility will be at its peak for the whole month, and I believe that might get extended towards March second week also. So if you know the levels, if you know the trading zone, you can trade accordingly. Moving on, we'll see Nifty levels. Nifty currently is heading towards 440 only if it starts trading above this zone of 375. If you see Nifty tomorrow opening above 375 or at 375 by any chance, or any 15 minutes candle sustaining above 375, we will see this high level coming up of 17440, and above 17440 we might possibly see this gap covering trade of 17555. So Nifty will only get weak below 17250, this area 17250. It might retest 17275 to 80, but if any gap up with sustain above 17375 in 15 minutes time frame, we would possibly see more 100 150 points plus on Nifty. Okay, make sure you do not short at the first 15 minutes if it's a gap up, because if it sustains it is going for much higher levels of at least 100 points, and it might get weak only and only below 17250 if it sustains in any 15 minutes time frame, or might be a retrace of today's massive move from day low to day high. Moving on, Bank Nifty, we have a same scenario. We will only trade, or maybe I would only get into a bullish trade if Bank Nifty starts trading about 38,250 in 15 minutes time frame for an initial target of 150 points, that is 38,420. Okay, my stop loss would be like 50-60 points about this if it sustain about 38,250, and I would target for 38,400 420 levels, about 38 420 25 levels if it sustains again, and we see a bullish momentum continuing with global sentiments being positive as of now. If anything changes, we'll update tomorrow in morning on Instagram, but if nothing changes and everything remains as positive as it is right now, then we will see 38,700 as a follow-up target for Bank Nifty tomorrow. 38,700, 38,800 will be my initial target if it starts trading above 38,400. And if it starts slipping down below 37,950 levels, this area, if it starts slipping below 37,950 levels for any particular reason, then it would again enter a bearish territory. But for now, there is a no trading zone on Bank Nifty, that is 38,250 to 38,110. This is a no trading zone. So we need to wait and watch before we enter any side. Uh, if you ask me, I see a bullish momentum to continue for tomorrow. Indecent Bank, structure wise, looks good on daily chart. So according to 15 minutes time frame, it is going for this gap cover of 976. 976 पे gap covering है. About 977 sustains on in 15 minutes time frame. You can possibly take 1 to 2% trade on the higher side. That is, the initial target would be 988, and as and when, if you have taken the higher side trade and you see the stock trading above 977 and moving towards 988, keep your stop loss at cost. Don't lose any money. I mean, you can protect your stop loss by trailing it, and above 988 we would possibly see 1000 to 1015 levels on this particular stock, that is Indecent Bank. If by any chance you see stock moving below 950, then it is going for a bearish territory again below 940 to 920 levels. But for now the structure looks good. Above 977 you can buy on the higher time frame, for the higher targets, but strictly with trailing basis. Let it retest once at 965 or 960 tomorrow, and then if it cross 977, then possibly we'll see 988, 1015 level on Indecent Bank. Moving on, HDFC Bank looking good again. It has recovered from the lower level and making a flag pattern on 15 minutes time frame. So now if you see 2350 to 55 levels taken out, I mean this stock starts trading about 2355 and sustains in 15 minutes time frame, you can target for 2390, that is almost like 40 points, and the next target would be this gap cover of 2420. So as and when you achieve your first target, you can book your half quantity or you can start trailing. See, if you enter a trade, if I enter this trade particularly as per my analysis, so I would maintain a stop loss at 2315 as per my risk appetite. So please do maintain your own research. This video is for educational purpose only, and this view and analysis and levels might help you in your own analysis for the next day. So you can keep these stocks in your radar and see how it performs tomorrow. Thank you.